guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change your username of your Zangi app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Zangi app. You'll come across this page. Here you can see my username is Lily Rivera. Then tap on settings icon over here. There you can see the option of your profile. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of my name is Lily Rivera and this is my number of Zangi. Here you can see the option of pin on your top right corner. Tap on it. I want it all in caps, so I've written it in caps. Now tap on the right button on your top right corner. There you go, your username has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.